In this video, we will be working with interior and exterior angles of polygons and regular polygons. So first, if all the exterior angles to a regular polygon have the same measures, how many sides does the polygon have? Quick review. So n is generally used for the number of sides. So 4 for a square, 5 for a pentagon, 6 for a hexagon. And then we have interior angles marked as I in here, and then each of these has one exterior angle marked. So the square will have 4, the pentagon will have 5, and the hexagon will have 6. And if they're regular polygons, all of the exterior angles have the same measure, and all of the interior angles have the same measure. So first, let's remember that the number of degrees in a polygon is n minus 2, where n is the number of sides, times 180. So then the measure of each interior angle of the polygon is n minus 2 times 180, just like before, over n, the number of sides. Now for the exterior angles, let's come down here in red. We have the sum of the measures of the exterior angles to a polygon is always 360 for any number of sides. So if we add up all the exterior angles, if we extend the other 4 like this, and we have E, and E right there, those will add to 360. If we did the same thing down here with the pentagon and the same thing down here with the hexagon, it's always 360. So the number of degrees is always 360. Then I, the number of degrees of each interior angle, 4 of them here, 5 of them here, 6 of them there, times n equals 360. So then solving for n, the number of sides, n equals 360 over I. From there, we just plug into here. 360 over 90 gives us 4. 360 over 72 gives us 5. 360 over 45 gives us 8. 360 over 36 gives us 10. And 360 over 24 gives us 15. Make sure you know these two formulas. They will be very important in a geometry class. You want to know them off the top of your head. So next we go to the green portion. If the measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 5 times the measure of an exterior angle to the same regular polygon, how many sides does the polygon have? So you can see where we have these things written here: interior, exterior, and so on. So let's say we have an interior, exterior pair right there. Putting it on the diagram so you can see it. It doesn't have to be a hexagon, and this one will not be, but just so you can see what they look like. So now bringing this over here, we'll show interior, exterior. An interior angle has the measure n minus 2 times 180 over n, and an exterior angle has the measure 360 over n. So for this specific problem, an interior angle, n minus 2 times 180 over n equals 5 times the measure of an exterior angle, which is 360 over n. So then canceling, we have n over n, so that cancels. And then 180 and 360 cancel to 1 and 2, leaving us with n minus 2 equals 5 times 2, which is 10. So n equals 12. Now to check, we will plug back in. Plugging back in 12 here, 360 over 12 equals 30 degrees. And plugging back in here, we get an interior angle measure of 150. So then we have our check. N is 12. The exterior angle measures 30, and the interior angle measures 150, which is 5 times 30. These sorts of problems can seem very complicated if you don't know how to do them. It's just a matter of knowing what to put where, keeping track, and then doing the algebra. As always, do it several times and you will get it.